Just see how it goes, really. You know what I mean, son? Go on, mate. Get some in it then, yeah.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, I am going to be making you some breakfast. It is going to involve sausages made into flower shape with some eggs, of course. Sausages and eggs go really well as a breakfast. So stay tuned, see how it goes. But before any of that, I need you guys to smash the like button, share, comment, subscribe. Also, flip it over onto Instagram, follow me there as well. And now, let's begin. The starter pack that we need are some sausages, and I've homemade these. These are wooden skewers. I got 3 of them, sellotaped it together to form that so I can do a little chopping. Okay, I'm going to show you in a second what I mean. What I'm going to do is, hopefully not to damage the sausages, but let's bring one out to start off with. Here's what you want to do. Get it there like so. Okay. This is hopefully to stop it from going all the way in and cutting through the actual sausage. Let's see what side looks better. Right. So I have sharpened my knife and I hope that this works. So time will tell, guys. You want to do thin, fairly thin slices, less than a centimeter I would say, or around there. So hopefully we can get the result that we're after. I hope. Right? So remove that, cut off the end bits, okay, and now what I'm going to do is flip it over. I hope I do this right. Do it that way. I hope so. Did we do it? And then you just want to roll it over, yes we did. So, I've got these toothpicks, I'm just gonna snap it in half, okay, just like so. Move that to a side for now, just very gently bring these in, right, and try not to obviously break it. Okay, just like so. I'm gonna place it in a pan for now. The pan is cold, so we've got time to make the other ones, and so on. Okay, you're gonna fold it in just like so. Yeah, hence what I mean, flower-shaped sausages. Right, we're gonna repeat the action again. This time I'm gonna try and do it thinner. Not that it will really make a difference, but you know, just see how it goes, really. You know what I mean, son? Go on, mate. Get some in it then, yeah. Right. We are almost there. Almost. Almost. Oh, the sausages are... Cut that out. Cut that out. Okay. And now, put it in. There you go. Bam! That's that. Cut this up again. Have it ready on deck. Okay. Look at that. Stick it in there, mate. There you go. Happy days. Yeah, make sure do it up nicely. Lovely jubbly. Yeah. All cushy, mate. Yeah, spread them apart so it's yeah. Oh no. Oh no, our sausages came apart. There you go, mate. Right, that's that. Here's what you want to do. You want to turn your pan, right? Let that crack on. Keep them in shape, of course. Let that go on, right? It's going to warm up. You will need, obviously, a pinch of olive oil. Just like so. Okay. Once this starts to heat up, then we go in for the eggs. I've got 4 eggs where I'm gonna crack, take out the white bit, just put in the yellow bit in each one. Well, done. Okay, the heat is getting to it. I'm gonna start cracking the eggs, empty out the white bits, and yeah, let's see. Is the first one just to go bit? We're gonna kind of do it quickly, right? It is a little bit messy, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, not the best. Kind of get it done quick. And the next one, and final one is coming up. Okay, my hands are messy. Give a quick rinse to the hands. Put the lid on there in order to help speed up the terms of cooking. What am I saying? I'm hungry, guys. Let's see, it's not stuck. Look at that. Okay. Now, since it's all, you know, spaced out, it's cooked, so I don't really need to flip it over. Although you can, but I'm not gonna attempt. Underneath is cooked really well, and all you want to do is just place it in your plate like so, one at a time, right? I don't know. Oh no, my decoration just fell apart. Right. This is quite simple, easy, and fast to make, guys. Right? Excuse me. And I'm just going to quickly turn that off. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. That is your sausage and egg breakfast. Your flower-shaped sausages. Bon appetit. Share, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up